I'm planning on installing a nuke here in about a half hour, but I ran into a little bit of a problem. The first problem was that I didn't have a solid bottom board, so I went ahead and placed it onto a larger solid bottom board, and we're actually going to be moving this to a full 10 frame style deep soon anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. But the bigger problem I ran into was that I don't have an inner or outer cover, so we're going to make one. The fastest way to do this was just go ahead and take the nuke and set it down on our duck canvas. And what I did was I made a line, as you can see, I made a line all the way around the box, and then you can see here that there is a second line. I've got a 4-frame nuke that I need to make an inner cover for as well. So what I did is I went ahead and just moved the nuke to the next spot and then pushed it in about an inch. And now we've got 2 inner covers that are ready to go for both of our nukes. Now this is what our finished inner cover looks like. Now it's not perfect because I did a pretty terrible job of cutting. I'm not worried about straight lines. I just want full coverage all the way around the box. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure the depth of the piece that's going to go onto the top. This is a piece of 2x2 material, and I wanted to make sure I made a mark so I knew how much overhang that I needed. And then I went ahead and I marked the total width of the hive body. This is a 4-frame nuke. So I marked both ends so that I would have the exact measurement that I needed to make that cut. The next thing I did was make sure I leave just enough space for the 2x2, and then I marked it on the opposite side, since the opposite side is where I'm going to have to make my cut. So now what we have is a migratory cover that has a little more than 1.5 inches of overhang on both sides. It's about 1.75 inches on both sides. So now I can just go ahead and I can make my mark so I know exactly where to cut everything. From there, I just go ahead and I cut the migratory cover piece off of my piece of plywood. It's just 2 simple cuts, one along the back and then one longer cut, and that gives me the entire migratory cover itself. And then I just dry fit, make sure everything is good, and then from there we're going to go ahead and attach the ends. So to do that, we're just going to go ahead and put some Tight Bond 3 on. We'll firmly press the 2x2 section down onto it. We'll repeat on the opposite side. And then I'm going to set the new migratory cover on top of that nuke box for a little bit of support. We're going to put a nail in the middle on each side, and then we're going to run a row of 4 or 5 nails up each one. And that should be more than enough to hold that in place. So again, folks, this was done with just things laying around the house. Now, obviously, I do just happen to have a big piece of canvas laying around the house, so you may not have that one. But the point I'm trying to get at is you can just grab things and just make something. It doesn't have to be a store-bought migratory cover. This is just, again, an old piece of plywood. This will hold me over until I can bring some of my hardware in from where I have it stored.